Hey guys, Rich here with Fanatik. We are out on a beautiful sunny day and I am riding my Specialized Enduro 29 equipped with Shimano's new 12-speed XT. I've been running this stuff for several months now and I'm nothing short of impressed. SRAM kind of beat everybody to the game with 12-speed a couple years ago. They were the only one in town that had it. And then Shimano finally stepped up to the plate and developed XTR. Took them a while to get it out. Then they finally released XT, and that's what I've been running, and I've been super stoked on it. So you've got a 10 to 51 tooth cassette. That's a little different from the SRAM one, which is 10 to 50 tooth, so extra tooth. Don't know that you're going to see a huge difference, but where you are going to notice it is in the shifting. The jumps between each ring on the cassette are actually smaller on the Shimano cassettes, so it's a smoother shifting experience. Alright, one of the cool defining features of the new Shimano 12-speed stuff is what they're calling Hyperglide Plus. And these are the ramps on the cassette that allow you to shift smoothly both up and down the cassette, which is really cool. So say you climb up a hill, you've got a little short descent into a gully, and then it's a quick, abrupt uphill again. A lot of times you've got to shift really quickly before you get to that uphill, just so that you can kind of spin. But with the Hyperglide Plus, you can shift under load. So you're in a higher gear coming down the hill, you need to shift down, get into something easier when you're going up, and you can just shift under load, you can keep pedaling, the gears are gonna move up that cassette really smoothly. It's pretty awesome. Another feature that I really like about the Shimano 12-speed is their shifters. Most shifters, you can shift up the cassette into an easier gear. You can do multiple shifts. But when you're trying to go back down into a harder gear, it's one at a time. And with the Rapidfire, you can actually get 2 clicks at a time. So, great example if you're racing, say, an Enduro or something, you're in a lower gear, all of a sudden you come into a corner and you want to put some more power down, boom, you can shift 2 gears and really power through it. It's pretty awesome. So here is one of those instances where I really like the rapid fire shifting on this, where I can go from a lower gear, I'm climbing up this hill in one of my easier gears and I'm getting to the top. And I know that there's a downhill here and I'm gonna need a lower gear to pedal out. And there's 1, 2 clicks to that shifter and I've shifted 4 gears. Now I'm dropping in. And coming around the corner and cool. Got 1 nice good pedal stroke in. Luckily I was able to shift into that lower gear so I could get some more power out of that corner and hit that jump. Another area where Shimano is killing it is the price point on this stuff. So they've got their hierarchy of drivetrain. You've got XTR at the top, XT below that, then the new SLX and Deore stuff, which is also pretty awesome, has all the same technologies. They're always going to be a little more expensive as you go up that tier. Materials are going to be nicer. Shimano is killing it with the pricing. It's about $600 for a full XT drivetrain, whereas the equivalent X01, you're looking at about $1,300. So one of the big differences there is the crankset. Shimano only does alloy cranksets, but it uses what's called their hollow tech. It's a hollow aluminum crankset to keep weights down, which is really awesome. I prefer an alloy crankset anyways because I'm bashing it on rocks and roots, and it's just peace of mind knowing that you have a metal crank arm instead of a carbon one that might explode on you. So as I've mentioned, I've been riding this stuff for a while. Another cool feature is the quality of these chains. I've got probably 700 to 800 miles on this whole drivetrain in the last couple months. I actually went to check my chain the other day. It's like it's brand new, hasn't even stretched. So longevity is really awesome, and I've been really impressed with this stuff. So there's a lot of really undulating terrain here in Bellingham, lots of climbing up, coming down, short little gullies. I have been nothing but impressed with all of these technologies on the new Shimano drivetrains, from Hyperglide Plus, shifting under load, the rapid fire shifting with the shifter, the alloy crank arms, the price, the longevity of this drivetrain. It's been super bomb proof, and I think it's definitely worth checking out. And pretty cool that they're also offering all of these technologies in their lower tiered drivetrains in SLX and Deore, which are now in the bike builder and on the website for you to buy. So that's about it that I've got for the new Shimano 12-speed XT that I've been running myself. If you you got any questions, you can give us a call or shoot us an email at sales@fanatikbike.com, and we're happy to answer those questions. Now, let's go ride our bike.